New Delhi, the capital city of India, is renowned for its rich history, diverse culture, and significant political importance. Here are some detailed notes about New Delhi. History and establishment. New Delhi was established as the capital of British India in 1911, replacing Calcutta. It was designed by British architects Sir Edwin Lutyens and Sir Herbert Baker, with construction beginning in 1912. Geography and location. New Delhi is located in the northern part of India, within the National Capital Territory of Delhi, NCT. It covers an area of approximately 42.7 square kilometers and serves as the political center of the country. Administrative significance. As the capital of India, New Delhi houses the offices of the President of India, the Parliament House, Sansad Bhavan, and the Supreme Court of India. It is also the headquarters of various government ministries and departments. Cultural and heritage sites. New Delhi is home to several iconic landmarks, including India Gate, a war memorial dedicated to Indian soldiers, Qutub Minar, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and Humayun's Tomb, another UNESCO World Heritage Site and precursor to the Taj Mahal. The city is known for its blend of Mughal and colonial architecture, reflected in its government buildings and monuments. Modern development. New Delhi has grown significantly from its colonial origins to become a bustling metropolis and one of the fastest-growing cities in the world. It serves as a major cultural and economic hub with a diverse population representing various ethnicities and cultures from across India. Transport and connectivity. Indira Gandhi International Airport, located in Delhi, is one of the busiest airports in India and a major gateway to the country. The city is well connected by road and rail networks, including the Delhi Metro, which is one of the largest metro systems in the world. Political significance. New Delhi plays a crucial role in Indian politics, hosting important diplomatic missions, embassies, and international organizations. It serves as a venue for significant national events, including Republic Day celebrations and international summits. Economic and cultural hub. The city's economy is diverse, with sectors ranging from government services and administration to finance, IT, and tourism. New Delhi hosts numerous cultural festivals, exhibitions, and events throughout the year, showcasing India's artistic and cultural heritage. In summary, New Delhi stands as not only the administrative and political capital of India, but also as a vibrant center of culture, history, and modern development, reflecting the nation's dynamic identity on the global stage. New Delhi's history dates back to ancient times when it was known as Indraprastha, a legendary city mentioned in the Indian epic Mahabharata. However, the modern incarnation of New Delhi came into being during the British colonial period. In 1911, the British decided to shift the capital of India from Calcutta, now Kolkata, to Delhi due to Delhi's central location and historical significance. Establishment of New Delhi. The foundation stone of New Delhi was laid by George V, Emperor of India, during the Delhi Durbar of 1911. The city was designed by British architects Sir Edwin Lutyens and Sir Herbert Baker, who envisioned a grand imperial capital, showcasing both Western and Indian architectural styles. New Delhi was planned as a spacious city with wide boulevards, government buildings, and vast green spaces, symbolizing British power and authority in India. Architectural marvels. One of the most striking features of New Delhi is its architectural diversity, blending ancient Indian styles with modern Western influences. The Rashtrapati Bhavan, formerly known as the Viceroy's House, is a masterpiece of architecture and serves as the official residence of the President of India. Its design combines elements of Mughal, British, and Indian architectural styles, featuring grand domes, intricate carvings, and expansive gardens. Nearby, the India Gate stands as a memorial to Indian soldiers who died during various wars. Designed by Sir Edwin Lutyens, it resembles the Arc de Triomphe in Paris and is surrounded by lush lawns, making it a popular spot for locals and tourists alike. Cultural diversity. New Delhi is a melting pot of cultures, languages, and traditions. As the capital of India, It attracts people from all corners of the country who come here seeking opportunities in education, employment, and governance. Political importance. As the seat of the Government of India, New Delhi plays a crucial role in the country's political landscape. The Parliament House, located at the end of Sansad Marg, is where the Lok Sabha, House of the People, and Rajya Sabha, Council of States, convene to discuss and debate national policies and legislation. The Prime Minister's office, various ministries, and government offices are also headquartered in New Delhi, underscoring its significance as the administrative center of the nation. Early history. New Delhi's history dates back to ancient times. The area around Delhi has been inhabited since the 6th century BCE, with various settlements and cities being built and destroyed over centuries. Indraprastha, mentioned in the Mahabharata, is often considered the earliest known city of Delhi. Medieval Delhi became a significant political and cultural center during the medieval period. The Delhi Sultanate, established in the 12th century, saw the construction of several landmarks such as the Qutub Minar and the Old Fort, Purana Kila. Delhi continued to flourish under subsequent dynasties like the Mughals, who built iconic structures such as the Red Fort and Humayun's tomb. British era. In 1911, during British rule, the capital of India was shifted from Calcutta, Kolkata, to Delhi. Edwin Lutyens and Herbert designed New Delhi as a symbol of imperial power, with wide avenues, grand government buildings, and spacious parks. Like many megacities, New Delhi faces challenges such as air pollution, traffic congestion, and urban sprawl. Efforts are ongoing to improve public transportation, promote sustainable development, and reduce environmental impact. Looking ahead, New Delhi continues to evolve as a symbol of India's growth and aspirations on the global stage. With initiatives like Smart City Delhi, focusing on sustainable urban development and digital transformation, the city aims to enhance livability and attract investment while preserving its rich heritage. In conclusion, New Delhi is not just a geographical entity, but a symbol of India's past, present, and future. It encapsulates the nation's diverse cultures, political significance, economic vitality, and architectural splendor. As it navigates the complexities of modernization and urbanization, New Delhi remains a testament to India's resilience, creativity, and enduring spirit.